MCQ number 1. In simple harmonic motion, acceleration is always directed towards mean position, extreme position, direction of motion या zero position. The correct option is A. MCQ number 2. When displacement is maximum in simple harmonic motion, velocity is maximum, minimum, zero या constant. The correct option is 0. MCQ number 3. Which factor does not affect time period of a simple pendulum? Length, gravity, mass above, all affect. The correct option is mass above. MCQ number 4. If frequency of a wave increases, its wavelength will increases, decreases, remain same, या become zero. The correct option is decreases. MCQ number 5. The restoring force in simple harmonic motion is proportional to velocity, acceleration, displacement, या time. The correct option is displacement. MCQ number 6. Pitch of a sound depends upon amplitude, frequency, speed, या intensity. The correct option is frequency. MCQ number 7. If amplitude of a sound wave is increases, loudness will become half, become double, increases, या decreases. The correct option is increases. MCQ number 8. Sound cannot travel through air, water, steel, या vacuum. The correct option is vacuum. MCQ number 9. Echo is produced due to refraction, absorption, या reflection of sound, या diffraction. The correct option is reflection of sound. MCQ number 10. Speed of sound increases when temperature decreases, या density increases, या temperature increases, या pressure decreases. The correct option is temperature increases. MCQ number 11. A convex lens produces virtual image when object is placed beyond focus, at focus, between focus and lens, या at infinity. The correct option is between f and lens. MCQ number 12. Power of a lens depend on thickness, material, focal length, diameter. The correct option is focal length. MCQ number 13. Unit diopter represent power of mirror, power of lens with focal length 1 meter, या energy of lens, या intensity of light. The correct option is power of lens with focal length 1 meter. MCQ number 14. Image formed by plane mirror is always real, या inverted, या enlarged, या virtual and erect. The correct option is virtual and erect. MCQ number 15. If focal length of convex lens decreases, its power will decreases, या become zero, या increases, या remain same. The correct option is increases. MCQ number 16. Like charges always attract, या neutralize, या repel each other, या destroy each other. So the correct option is repel each other. MCQ number 17. Charging by induction involves contact, friction, no contact, या heating. The correct option is no contact. MCQ number 18. Unit of electric field intensity is Newton per coulomb या joule per coulomb या coulomb per Newton या volt? The correct option is Newton per coulomb. MCQ number 19. Electric field lines always move from negative to positive, yeah, positive to negative, yeah, neutral to charged, yeah, random direction. So the correct option is from positive to negative. MCQ number 20. If distance between two charges is doubled, force becomes double, या half, या 4 times, या 1/4. The correct option is 1/4. MCQ number 21. Electric current is defined as flow of energy, या flow of electrons, या rate of flow of charge, या flow of voltage. The correct option is rate of flow of charge is called current. MCQ number 22. If resistance increases, current will increase, या decrease, या remain same, या become zero. So the correct option is decrease. MCQ number 23. A meter is always connected in parallel, या series, या mixed, या anyway. The correct option is in series. MCQ number 24. Voltmeter has very low resistance, zero resistance, या high resistance, या infinite current. The correct option is high resistance. MCQ number 25. Ohm's law valid only when temperature is increasing, या decreasing, या constant, या very high. The correct option is constant. MCQ number 26. The speed of sound is maximum in gases, liquid, solids, या vacuum. So the correct option is solid. MCQ number 27. A generator converts electrical to mechanical, या mechanical energy to electrical, या heat to electrical, या chemical to electrical. So the correct option is mechanical to electrical energy. MCQ number 28. Strong electromagnet can be made by increasing turns of coil, decreasing current, using plastic core, या reducing voltage. The correct option is increasing turns of coil. MCQ number 29. Transformer works only on DC supply, AC supply, battery, या solar cell. So transformer works only in AC supply. MCQ number 30. Unit of magnetic flux is Tesla, Weber, या Henry, या Ampere. The correct option is Weber. Thanks for watching.